this time just a small tip how to redirect visitor to offline form if chat is pending for too long. So first of all, what we will need, let's set up autoresponder event itself. So let's go autoresponder. No, let's make it default and we change nothing. We write just here like welcome to our support service, and next we just choose for example, we write second message. We are still waiting for an operator to accept a chat. And we can repeat this message, for example, twice. So after first one it will be this message, after that it will be this one, and further after 20 seconds it will be this message. So let's save it and we choose department default just. Okay, now let's go to, we can see how it works now just. Okay, we refresh just in case, write something here and here. So we see first welcome message. Now after 10 seconds I should get another waiting message just. So we are still waiting, you see another, and after more 10 seconds I should get third time. Yeah, you see, and that's it. And now for example we want to redirect visitor to offline leave a message form. So what we have to do, we go to department, we have the department and we set like 30. So after 30 seconds he will be redirected to offline form. Okay, let's go to, for example, now we can adjust a little bit autoresponder and write that no one could accept this chat. You will be redirected to leave a message form. Update. Let's update and let's end this chat and let's try another one. Starting chat and waiting for flow. Let's start. Okay, we have this default message. Now let's see how it all works. Okay, we should get now second message in about time, and we should get third one. Now we are waiting, and now after 10 seconds visitor should be redirected to offline form just. And here we go. So that's a small tip you can do to handle, for example, a lot of chats. Bye.